Hi friends, welcome to Little Ukes. I'm so glad that you're joining me today. For those of you who are new, these videos are daily ukulele lessons for kids ages 4 and up. I'm going to be posting these lessons every day until normal life resumes, so I hope that you'll consider joining me every day to make some beautiful music together and do something fun and uplifting together as well. Today I'm going to be talking about how do we hold the ukulele. There are a couple of really good options for this. On my instrument, I don't have strap buttons and I don't have a strap, although that can be a really great option. So if your ukulele has strap buttons and you do have a strap that fits, some straps may be a bit too big for kids, but some do fit kids very well if you shorten them. I recommend playing with the strap because that will automatically hold the ukulele in a really comfortable and also good position for playing. If you don't have a strap, here are a few ideas to hold the instrument correctly. If you have a somewhat bigger instrument, you can actually rest it in your lap and hold it diagonally. My ukulele is a bit too small to do that for me, but when I play somewhat bigger instruments, I do sometimes hold it like this, and it's very comfortable. The other option is to raise it up a bit higher and then take your right arm, so that's going to be the side that does the strumming, sort of hook it into your elbow and then use your forearm to gently press the ukulele against you. I find this kind of creates a little cradle for the instrument. For me, it's very comfortable to strum and play this way, and I don't get tired. So the two ways that you can try are diagonally. If your ukulele is big enough or if it's comfortable, you can hold it like this and your lap supports the instrument, or you can put it in the crook of your elbow like I do and go like this. So the one thing we do want to be careful of is to not let our ukulele become flat. So something that I like to imagine is if you pretend there's a big thing of Velcro right here, and then on your shirt there's Velcro, and so every time you start playing you Velcro the ukulele to yourself. That way you will stay away from this pancake situation. Now, I love to eat pancakes, but I try not to play my ukulele like a pancake. So if you can, remember to hold your ukulele against your tummy. There are so many different builds. Everybody's body is a little bit different, and there are many different makes and models and sizes of ukuleles. So the rule that I always try to remember when I'm practicing is that it has to feel good and it has to sound good. So just remember that if you're doing something and it feels good and it sounds good, chances are you're doing it very well. If it sounds really great but it feels kind of funny or it's not comfortable, that won't really work. And if it's super comfortable but it's hard to play and it doesn't really sound good, that also won't work. So just remember that whatever you're doing with your ukulele is great as long as it feels good and it sounds good. Happy practicing.